Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again with Flex MP. Today we have parallettes. Now you might see me do some moves like this. Push up to those kick through L sits, and you'll be like, there's no way. Or maybe you're curious on how to do that. That's what we're gonna go over today. We're gonna show progressions down from there and variations of the movement to be able to get you to do this. Because during this time where we're socially isolated, where we're quarantined, I feel like this time, if you can build strength, great, but also to build some skills, learn some new things. Now, if you don't have parallettes, you don't need some nice metal ones like this. You could go to your local, like Home Depot, build these out of cheap PVC pipes. If you're outside, you can use like 2 stumps. But first, let's how we space them apart. No one really knows. I see people separate them. Really the best gauge to see how far apart they are. Put your arm like this, and you see a little far apart. But from your elbow to your middle finger, that's in the spacing. So I just showed you that kick through the L sit. You need to make sure you have upper body strength and core strength. And one thing is, you need to push through like this hollow hold. So you shouldn't be sagging down in here, shoulder blades down. So you gotta have that upper body strength. And if you can't find yourself doing that, the next one down, now you don't always have to do a push-up. I just like it. You can just do a simple kick through. And now I like to imagine like I'm bringing my knees into my face. So, and then I'm bringing them back. Just like that. Again, push through. From there, if you're not able to do that version of it, again, with or without a push-up, it could just be a push-up to a jump, just like that. And then if you're finding, well, I think I have it, but I'm not connecting all the pieces. So it could just be building up some core strength. And one move, there's a lot, but one I like to do is make sure we have that upper body strength first, because if you don't, you're gonna sag. You're gonna push through, you're gonna bring those knees up, and you could just start with something like this. This is also great flexibility, stretching for your hamstrings, and you could feel that into your quad. And there's just some examples on how to get from that push-up to a kick-through. We're gonna show some cool stuff tomorrow with objects as well, some variation on movements to make progressions. And then maybe, if you're lucky, and if you comment below, like, share, subscribe, and want more, we'll put this into a workout, because that's not the only way you could use these here. Like we could just take one, and you could turn this into like a tricep exercise. Again, there's a lot of stuff you can do with these, more than just those kick throughs and those push-ups. So anyways, thanks for checking out our channel. Thanks for checking out this video. And if you want more movements like this, more personalized training, or more just coaching and help during this time, click that link below to set up a free session with us so we can get you moving better, feeling better, and living better during this time. Well, thanks for tuning in, and always take care.